If you are purchasing a SnapLatch Coupler product, your coupler will operate slightly differently than the previous iteration. This update is seen on products such as the Executive Fifth Wheel to Gooseneck, the Spartan, Viking, and ADMIRAL. The previous design is still safe and simple to use. However, we did see small areas of improvement that we wrapped up into this product update. Here is how to connect and disconnect your SnapLatch product with the updated design. Simply lower the coupler onto the ball and it self-latches. As soon as the ball goes into the coupler, it latches into place, safe and secure. Additionally, there is a hole that will fit a 1/4 inch locking pin or padlock. This provides a safety precaution or locking solution, but is not necessary to tow. To disconnect, simply twist the handle or yank the pull cable, depending on what product you have. From there, you can raise the coupler and disconnect. When the coupler is raised from the ball, the latch automatically resets, so you're ready to latch again. With this updated technology, when you're connected, you're secure. And when you're ready for the next haul, you're already good to latch again.